just so hot I melted, fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. For good and run, I've been giving my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn. Doing some love song, I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. You're just one big family. Sorry for God forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Scooch on over closer, dear. I will nibble your ear. Scoop it up and up. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backwards just to try to see. My breath fogged up the glass,
and so I drew a new face and laughed.
I guess what I've tried a reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do.
Our name is our virtue,
but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see